Today we're reviewing Crafter, a carpentry and woodworking Elementor template kit designed for quick and easy website creation using the Elementor Page Builder plugin for WordPress. Crafter is perfect for carpentry professionals, woodworking businesses, furniture makers, wood repair and restoration services, custom wood service providers, and anyone involved in wood flooring or similar industries. This template kit offers a creative and modern web design style, helping bring a fresh, contemporary feel to your business website or blog. Crafter is not a standalone WordPress theme. Instead, it is a collection of pre-built templates that contain page content tailored for the Elementor visual builder. The kit has been optimized for use with the free Hello Elementor theme, but it will also work with most WordPress themes that support Elementor. You can expect seamless integration with your existing theme setup as long as Elementor compatibility is present. When it comes to features, Crafter provides more than 12 templates, giving you flexibility to build comprehensive websites. It offers true no-code customization through Elementor's easy drag-and-drop interface, meaning you don't need any coding skills to achieve a professional result. You can customize fonts and colors globally, or fine-tune settings for individual sections and elements, allowing you to match your site to your brand with minimal effort. The kit delivers a clean and minimal design aesthetic, ensuring your website remains visually appealing and uncluttered. Fast-loading optimizations have been included to keep your pages responsive and performance-driven. Crafter works with most Elementor-supported WordPress themes and ensures your website displays perfectly on mobile devices and tablets, thanks to its responsive design standards. The core templates included in the kit are home, services, our work, pricing, about, process, single service, contact, header, footer, metform contact, metform subscribe, and global style. This assortment is designed to cover all essential website sections for a professional carpentry or woodworking business. The metform templates specifically facilitate easy contact and subscription forms. For additional functionality, the kit installs Elements Kit Lite and metform plugins. Elements Kit Lite provides expanded widget options and header/footer building capabilities, while metform powers the customizable forms. Installing and using Crafter is straightforward. Remember, Crafter is a template kit for Elementor, not a WordPress theme. You can import the kit using the Envato Template Kit Import plugin for WordPress or directly through Elementor. Detailed step-by-step instructions are available online. If you need further support, you can access help through the Elementor section in your WordPress dashboard. To set up your header and footer with Elements Kit Lite, you navigate to the Elements Kit Header and Footer section, create a new template, activate it, and use Elementor to insert the desired header or footer template. Once inserted, customize as needed and publish. If you own Elementor Pro, you can leverage the theme builder for header and footer setup. For consistency, set your page layout to Elementor full width to ensure headers and footers display correctly. Importing metform custom forms is also simple. While editing in Elementor, select the metform widget, edit the form, start a new blank form, and use the Add Template feature to insert your desired template from the My Templates tab. After inserting, update your page, and the new form will be live. It's important to note that the template kit uses demo images from Envato Elements. If you want to use these images on your production website, you must purchase a license via Envato Elements. Alternatively, you can substitute them with your own custom images. In summary, Crafter Carpentry and Woodworking Elementor Template Kit is an efficient solution for anyone seeking to build a professional and modern website in the carpentry, woodworking, or related industries. With no-code customization, responsive design, fast-loading optimizations, and a suite of essential templates and plugin integrations, Crafter streamlines the web building process and helps you present your business online with style and ease.